and welcome to Midwood Doors. We're based in Brooklyn, and for 30 years, we've helped bring projects of every scale to life across the United States.
Here in Brooklyn, we have more than 10,000 wooden doors in stock. Along with wooden doors, we have hollow metal doors, fire rated 60-90 minutes. They are all ready for fast delivery to our clients in the neighborhood.
Now let's go. I'll show you where your project really gets started. This is our showroom. Our professional team helps you select models, configurations, and production timelines, making the ordering process smooth and convenient. Here you can see some of our clients and projects we're proud of. And of course, our Midwood Doors brand. This is our estimating department. Here we prepare accurate quotes, respond quickly to your questions, and provide timely pricing, supporting your project at every stage. This is our logistics department. Our team selects the most efficient delivery options and coordinates shipments across the United States. And this is our production manager. He's been with the company since the very beginning, 30 years this year. Say hi! Now I'd like to show you our manufacturing. Here we produce wooden doors, from classic to contemporary, as well as commercial metal doors, including fire-rated. We don't just sell doors, we manufacture them from the ground up, so you get exact configurations tailored to your project requirements.
If you are a general contractor, developer, or working on your construction project, our great team will be very happy to help you. We've been in business for 30 years, servicing our client with doors for the construction projects. We have a showroom in Brooklyn, Sunset Park area, and in Port-St. New Jersey. Welcome to our showroom. If you have a project, our team will be very happy to help you.